this video, we will show how to add a FortiToken two-factor authentication to a remote VPN user. The steps are the same for both the IPsec and SSL VPN users. First, we will add the FortiToken two-factor authentication on the FortiGate side, and then we will install the FortiToken Mobile app on the remote user computer. Please note that in this video, we already have the VPN configuration in place. If you are looking for step-by-step VPN setup, please refer to the applicable IPsec or SSL VPN setup videos. Let's go to the FortiGate now. Your FortiGate license comes with two free mobile FortiTokens that are already installed on the FortiGate. You can also purchase additional FortiToken licenses and apply them to the FortiGate. We already created a local VPN user and added it to the VPN group. Now we will edit this user and add a two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication and select one mobile token from the list. Enable send activation code and select email. Enter the user's email address. The user will receive an email with the instructions on how to install mobile FortiToken app. We will go over them shortly. You can also use FortiToken Cloud subscription as an alternative to the mobile tokens. This is a service that's offered by Fortinet. Next, let's go to the remote client. First thing we are going to do here is open the FortiToken activation email. The email contains a documentation link to various FortiToken scenarios. In our case, we will use a mobile simulator to download and install the FortiToken app. Once the app is installed, we simply scan the QR code found in the email to activate the FortiToken app. FortiToken app generates codes that we will use for the second factor authentication. We will use this code later when we connect through VPN. Next, we are going to establish an IPsec connection using FortiClient. Open the FortiClient and go to Remote Access. We will log in as a VPN user we configured on the FortiGate earlier. Because we have a two-factor authentication enabled, we will also get prompted for the FortiToken code. We will type in the code as it's generated on the mobile. At this point, the remote user can start an RDP session accessing local resources behind the FortiGate. And this concludes our video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit video.fortinet.com.